They are all in it. It looks rotted. And I've actually fed this to them a couple nights in a row. Is what's really fucked up. What made me start looking, though, is one of my babies threw up today. And then another one, like, her farts have been so bad. Look, pure rottenness. There we go. Just make sure you're checking this shit before you give it to your animals.
I noticed some white spots in the last bag of dog food. And these worms are in it. And they're turning into these bugs, which are all through the dog food and now getting all through my house. And probably ingested by my dog. Very disgusting.